Hello everyone, I will make a comparison between Contact Form 7 and Zigaform. You know, Contact Form 7 is a popular contact form builder, so let's check it out. So first I'm gonna look for Contact Form 7. Okay, there it is, install. Okay, now activate it. There it is. Okay, let's go on here. Let me check on plugins. You can see it's appearing on the sidebar, these new options to contact. So we're gonna test this one that is appearing on here, or we will create a new one just to test. Test contact form. As you can see, it's just this code, not really simple. You know, here the label, the text on here, okay, and the submit button. I think here the mail settings. You can see here full shortcuts. Okay, the messages, all the messages, additional settings, probably here some snippets. Okay, I will just save the form. Okay, I have this here, the shortcut. I'm gonna create a new post on here just to test it. Testing contact form. Okay. And view post. Here the success message. We can check if it's arrived in the mail. You can see here. It's really simple. It's really simple. I guess here you can add, if I want to add other text areas, I think I have to go on here, text area, require field, just testing. You can add ID attribute, class attribute. That's it. So I will save and I will go again, view this. You can see here. So it's working, really simple. I guess if you want to have like a style, visual style, you will need to add CSS manually. And that will take you time. Okay. Now I will test Zigaform plugin. Just searching Zigaform. Okay, this is it, the form builder. It's installing. Okay, it's installed, activated. There it is. Also, you will see the new options on the sidebar. Just go on there, Zigaform Lite. Add a new form. It asks you a name, contact form, and you can see the difference. This is there's a visual interface, so you can drag and drop. In this case, I will use this template as well. This contact form. Also, you can add any fields that you can see on the left section. In this case, I will add just a ready button. Here, I will put like services. Then I will add more options. There it is. Also, I think I can add a grid column, 2 columns. I can add on there. Also, I can add a select list. I think the select list is on here. I'm gonna put products. I'm gonna add the options. There it is. I think that's it. Also in the mail settings, you can set up on here. On submission, you can add your custom success message. This is a test. On some other settings like reCAPTCHA v3, CSS, custom CSS, JavaScript, PDF, records. I think that's it. I will just change some skin of this. Let me check. Probably that one. Okay. I think that's it. Also, I can change the background of that text area. I will do that. Probably I will add this color. That's it. Save changes. There it is. I have the shortcut. I will go to the post and I can add below the other contact form. There it is. So check it out. You can see the difference. Here you can put your, also if you don't put any mail, there's a validation on there. Put your mail on that. Also here, choose just ready button, some option from select list, also from here, and send in the form. That's it. You can see the success message. So if we check on the mail, you can see this message with some design, default designs. Also, the user can customize this design. So as you can see, all the fields are there, so it's working fine. And so you can see there's a difference between them. And so you have this new option, which is called Zigaform. That's it. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section.